Hey, this is Danielle. Welcome to the free video. So, today I wanted to talk about GME. This one came up in our trading room today, and it was up about 28% at the time. And I looked at it and I was like, ah, man, I hate to buy something that's up 28%. But the kicker here is that it has high short interest. So, thanks to Henry. Henry found this on Twitter from our friend iHort, S3 Partners. So it looks like GameStop officially has about 57% short interest float. Now you're going to find in other spots that it says about 133%. S3 is calculating a little bit differently now, but the moral of the story is that this thing has massive high short interest, okay? And so what happens is when a ticker has massive high short interest and then there's some type of catalyst or news, in this example today they had a partnership with Microsoft that they're announcing, this thing just explodes, okay? And so when something's exploding on news, usually it's too late to get in. And I say, hey, sorry guys, it's up 20%. If you're not in it already, you missed it. But when something has high short interest, you have a lot of short sellers that are in there that are going to have to buy to cover. So we were watching this in trading room. I went ahead and bought some long calls, and then the thing just continued to explode into the end of the day. So that was nice. But I think that it could keep exploding tomorrow. It's going to depend on if it gaps up or not. It did. It was trading higher during the after hour session, but ideally, what I would like to see is I would like to see it gap up above 1349, and I would like to see continued short covering in the morning. So basically I would look for a pattern just like this. You want to see green trend strength candles, you want to see high volume, you want to see a continued break of the previous high of the previous candle, you want to see a wide range expansion candle just like this. That would be a signal, especially after the first 15 minutes of trade. If you get a breach of the first 15-minute range, that would be a signal that, if you didn't already have this, you could go ahead and buy it and day trade the thing for a short squeeze. So now what if it doesn't gap up, and what if, it gaps down and it just loses momentum? Okay, that would not be an opportunity. It's not a short squeeze. So it's only a trading opportunity if it gaps up and you have that volume and momentum. As of right now, I'm long. I think we could get at least 15 and a half out of it. And if we breach that level, I think we could trade it even higher. I mean, potentially even up here to about 20 bucks. So I am long GameStop. The contracts that I bought just right before the close, I just got a couple of them here. I got some of them in the series that are expiring tomorrow because, when options are expiring on Friday, they're so cheap. So I went ahead and grabbed some of those. And then I also grabbed some of these in the October 16th series. At the time, I think that they were like Delta 70s, and now they're already all the way up there. So I would just grab some of the Delta 70s that are like at the 13 strike, and that is how I would trade it. Also, I wanted to let you know, if you don't know, Jack is going to be having a class this weekend on trading micro futures. So Jack is absolutely awesome. He's been a great addition to our team the past couple of years. And he had a webinar a couple days ago. You can find it at simplertrading.com. And you can learn more about it there. He's going to be having a really awesome class this weekend about how he trades micro futures. He uses a lot of volume as well, so I'm a huge fan of that kind of strategy because that's how I trade as well, momentum based. So if you want to check it out, go to simplertrading.com and you can click and watch the replay of the webinar. Other than that, I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one.